LED headlights in 2021 Ford EcoSports. So I bought this Oxito LED headlight from Amazon.com, and it has exactly same fitting as the halogen headlights. So it looks perfect for the 2021 Ford EcoSports. So the LED headlight has a look at that. It has a fan, and the lights are on both sides. And see this. There's a orange ceiling, and there's the fan. And it's a nice cooling fan, and it has 0 to 9 to 30 volt. So it's a LED light made from Oxydo, and this bulb is for H8, H9, H11. So see that there's a tick mark there. So the product specifications, you can see, just read the label before you buying it and installing it into your car. So there's two in the package, and it's good packing system, and there's the actual bulbs here, the two bulbs. And this is my halogen bulbs I took out from my car, and I compare with the LED bulb. So it looks similar, exactly fitting. Don't put a wrong bulb because it will not fit into your headlight system. So here is my bulb here. So I put the rubber cover on and take out the halogen bulb, and this is the plug that will go into your LED bulb. So after putting the LED bulb, as I turn on the light, so this is LED bulb in the square areas with the LED bulb in the old halogen. So you can clearly see the difference between the two. And this size has also LED bulb. There is not the high beam LED. Actually, I was sending the wrong item. I asked for the low beam, but they sent me the high beam. So I'm going to return it and try to buy something which will fit on my low beam headlight. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please